Yo, you ever have a day like this?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That's right. My order showed up today. The silver bag. Have you ever got a silver bag? Do you know what's in this silver bag? Oh, I've been waiting for this bag. But I'll tell you what, the most exciting thing in this bag, the flipmini. So, yeah, I'm going to build it. We're going to fly it. And I'll let you know how it goes. So along with the frame, we're going to use a hobby wing stack, T-Motor Pacer, 1804s, 03, and ELRS receiver. Damn, where's that receiver? There is an ELRS receiver around. I found it. Access Flying ELRS. All right, let's get this quad built and get it in there. All right. Yep. Okay, we are finished. I got 4 packs on the charger. Gonna go take this on a maiden flight and hope nothing explodes. Let's go. I got a little spot I can do this at right up here. Damn, we gotta beat the wind. Dang. The obstacle I wanted to fly is there's people in it making love. All right, we'll just rip this parking lot right here. See what this flipmini's got. Oh. All right, let's go. Maiden flight. Ooh, that is smooth. Oh, and there's wind on me right now too. Oh my goodness, this is sick. What? Oh, a little bit of washy wash. How does it juicy? Okay, all right. What? So that was the maiden flight for the flipmini, and nothing but compliments on this. This is something else. But yo, I'm gonna rip another pack. Hopefully I survive that one, and I'll see you back at the crib. Yo, we back. This thing is sick. I ran like 2 more packs after the maiden flight. It's just fire. Like, I have no complaints. The flight characteristics in this were just solid. The strength was solid. I knocked it a couple times into metal and nothing. The prints that came with it didn't hold up so well, but who cares about all that? Busted my little antenna off. It was fun. Outside of the prints, this is gonna be my new daily driver for sure. Was it a 5-inch? Nah, it's nothing just feels like a 5-inch. So yeah, that's my take on the flipmini. It's fire. Nobody told me to say that. Nobody paid me to say that. But Supafly is a super fresh company, and like, they haven't missed yet, in my opinion. So cheers. I'll see you on the next episode.